Everybody, so if you've seen any of my past videos on Boman Armament Group, a lot of times they run some really strange specials around Christmas. Sometimes things for free. In this particular case, what I have here today is something they had out there. It was called stocking stuffers. That's all it was called. It's $40, but you got one military patch, one AKM cleaning kit, one PPS 41 drum mag pouch, an AKM blank firing adapter, PPS 43 oiler. So any of you guys that have PPS 43 kits, might be something nice to get. 5 inert 7.62 by 39 rounds, 5 inert 7.62 by 25 Tokarev rounds, 5 inert 7.62 by 54R rounds, as well as one RG42 that is also inert. Now, coupled with this, they had a couple of free items on their website, actually 2 free items. You could just add it to your order if you're already going to get an order, and they wouldn't cost you anything extra. One of which was a 4-pack of the AK blank firing adapters. I don't know if I ever use them, but I figure it's free, why not? As well as a Yugo surplus leather sling. Now, I don't know what rifle that's going to be for. I don't know if it's for a Yugo AK, a Yugo RPK. I don't have a clue. I just know it was in there, but we're going to check it out today, take a look at it. You know, that all that inert stuff could be some really cool decoration stuff for the office, if you guys so choose. That's if your office will allow you to do so, or your place of work. They may not, but let's check it out and see what we got from Boman. They're super fast to ship, so they shrunk wrapped everything together. It's gonna be fun getting apart. No complaints. I mean, it is what it is. I don't think it's gonna get hurt in shipment. There's that stocking stuffer pouch. And this might be a Yugo Mauser. Very well could be a Yugo Mauser sling. It looks leather. It is leather. And while it is heavily gunked up, it doesn't appear to be bad. I mean, the buckles are good. The leather's still good. It's just heavily oiled. But that's pretty slick. You guys chime in the comment section if you guys know exactly what this leather sling goes to. I just know it's a Yugo. I don't know what it's for, but it's free, so why not? Of course, here's those blank firing adapters. It's kind of funny. All of them except for one are marked RPK. That way you guys can see that. I'll do my best to maybe make it to where you can see it. May have to put a picture in, I don't know. But blank firing adapters, kind of neat to have. But let's check out this $39 stocking stuffer pouch. I have no clue what's in here. There is that nice PPS 43. I guess that's the oil and solvent kit. Now, YouTube, this is completely fake. What's in here is not real. It is completely inert. It is a paperweight. Once again, not real. Simply a display piece. But that's pretty slick. Once again, completely inert, but a very cool, it's just a really cool desk piece. I think that's pretty slick. That looks really nice, actually. That's cool. I doubt they'll let me put this on my desk at work, but it would be really cool if they did. But anyway, 29/72. I have no idea what this means. If you guys know, chime off in the comment section. I have no clue. I don't know anything about these. First time to actually ever see one. Some neat markings on the bottom, just heavy black paint. That's kind of cool. Alright, what else we got in here? We got another blank firing adapter, of course marked RPK. Throw that with those. And then we've got all these other things. All these loose rounds. Military patch, that is just a red diamond. I don't have a clue what that is. Of course, here's those 4 or 5 7.62x54R inert rounds. Actually, they put 2 blank firing adapters in there. That's kind of cool. There's those inert rounds. Completely inert, not real. Here are the 5 7.62x25 Tokarev rounds. Something you can use in your videos if you guys like to do that, do function checks, things of that nature. Hey guys, sorry about the splicing in the video. I'll try to make this as quick as possible, or as quick as possible. Camera died in the middle of filming. Last few things to show you. 7.62x39 rounds, of course, completely inert. And if you guys have any clue what this is, let me know. It's marked P1. I don't have a clue what this thing is. No idea. And then of course, here is that cleaning kit that appears to have some strange parts into it. But anyway, there's that AK cleaning kit. Pretty nice. So once again, all this from Boman Arms. You guys check them out if you are interested in things like this. They are not sponsoring this video. I bought this with my own funds, in case anybody wants to know. But as always, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Plenty more content on the way. Until next time, you guys have a great day.